Hi, so my business name, hellotaxman, is expiring this month, August 2024, and this is the process of how I renewed it, so you can do yours too. So first up, we go to the IPA website, and I log into my account. Come to my entities here, do a search, and the ones that I have are my company and my business name. Click on the number there, and when we come down here, see business name renewal date. This is where you will know your renewal date, when you should renew it by, and the expiry date, registration expiry date for mine is the end of this month. So you come up to here, new filing, and click to select the form category. This one, AR20, renewal of business name registration, right here. Anyway, let's go on. We know we're in the right place. Initiate filing. And here we are, my business name, registration number, go next step, your address, make sure it's all correct. Is the principal place of business address changing? No. Is the address for communication changing? No. Is the email address changing? No. Next step is the owner's details of business name being renewed. Has there been any change in ownership of the business name? No. Natural persons? No. My company owns my business name. There I go. Next step, business activity. Business activity, other, community, and social. Let's see. What else is there? So mine could be personal service activities, but I'm going to put business service activities because I provide business service activities like accounting services, tax consultation. I'm building courses and selling them. I've sold courses, so I'm going to put this one this time. There I go. Save. And next would be signature. Okay, I certify that the information is true and I am the owner. And there you can check out. It's taking us to the payment page. So guys, it's 150 kina every year. Okay, I just put a calendar reminder like the month before, so I can budget for the 150, or at least be aware that the 150 is coming up next month. And then it's just daily reminding me every single day in the month of August to do this. Month close to finish na making now, but here we are. So I pay by credit card, and I'm going to pause this recording while I pay for my thing here. So here we are. I have paid successfully for my renewal via Visa card. And make sure it's your business Visa card, okay? So it is tax deductible. It lowers the amount of tax you have to pay if you're in the income tax regime. SPT people, sorry, doesn't apply. And here we go. I've got my receipt, and in order for you to get the tax deduction, you must print the receipt. Keep it in your files and in your accounting system. Well, I use an online one because I am modern and I like to do things the easiest way possible. So if you don't keep these kinds of receipts, you cannot get the tax deductions. Okay, you cannot legally claim for tax deductions. Okay, you cannot make things up. This is not how life works, okay? You need this paper receipt from the supplier. This is why people give receipts, so that you can claim the tax deduction if you are a business owner. Done? Then we go to close, checkout. No, I just want to see this one. What is it? Pending. Electronic fulfillment. Pending. Anyway, close. And I think I'm done. So when I go to my filings, what's this? Oh, fulfillment. There, I can click here for fulfillment. Complete, and it's done. And it's approved. Close. And I'm just gonna double check in my entities. What does it say after all this hard work? Yay! See, renewal due date is 2025 next year. And that is it. Now that we know it's all registered and due next year, and my business activities updated, and all this looks fine, I am good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if it helped you, and share it if you know it will help someone else in your life. Bye for now.